from Zanzibar. We finally made it. We actually arrived yesterday, but we were just too tired to film and stuff. But yeah, today's our first full day. We got a full week here, and we're staying at this hotel called Pongwe Beach Hotel, and it's on the east side of the island. It's about an hour away from the airport, but pretty much a straightforward drive if you use like Google Maps or Waze or whatever, and you'll get here in no time. And then today we're just gonna kayak. It's really flat and nice and calm today, and then probably get into something else. We don't have a real itinerary, but yeah, kayaking should be a fun start to our day. This is all a part of Pongwe too, that as well. And then I think over there, that Palapa is a different resort. All really beautiful. Crystal clear water off the coast of Zanzibar, here in beautiful Africa. Still waiting on Gabs. She's right there. Got some local Maasai setting up for the day to sell some merchandise. I think this is part of the hotel as well. Looks like you could just lounge over there and get roasted by the sun. Do some sunbathing. And then the pool is just right there. And Gabby's over there. We just ate breakfast, so she's kind of full. Didn't want to go out yet, but I decided to come out. Look how clear this water is though. Let's go check out this boat. Looks like a fishing boat maybe. Or maybe not. It's not occupied. Pretty cool. Beautiful scenery. And it's not even that deep where I'm at. Let's see. Yeah, this is all the way in the ground. A couple feet, 3-4 feet. Pretty shallow. And it's low tide right now too. Yesterday when we arrived, it was high tide. Go for a nice beer right now. Nice morning beer. Stand up in the open ocean. That's a good beer. Good start to the morning. Well, 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 look who decided to come out and play. Oh, she has a nice one. It's green, nice and bright. Mine's like yellow, banana-y color.
How is it?
It's good.
Good?
Feels great, yeah. It's really refreshing. Unfortunately, we haven't found any marine life yet. Maybe we have to visit the west side of the island, do some snorkeling over there, kayaking. Probably more marine life and fish and dolphins and all that stuff. But so far, this is, you know, as always, stunning and spectacular views. And oh yeah, by the way, these kayaks are free. They're like complimentary per the resort, which is awesome. And the current's pretty quick too. We were just in that spot where it's dark. There's vegetation over there, and not even 10 seconds later, we're in a different location. So it looks like there's a northwest current. It's pretty fast. Just something to be aware of in case you want to drift way out into sea. Yeah, so the tide is getting pretty low now. As you can see, the oar, it's like probably a foot deep. And then yesterday, those stairs on the shoreline, the water was about halfway up to those stairs, so it gets pretty high. And I'm gonna try and make my way over to this boat because it looks interesting. Pretty cool looking boat. I think it's a traditional Tanzanian boat, and it looks like there's a sail attached to it as well, and it's been anchored since we arrived yesterday, along with those other two boats. Armisan is the name of it. And I don't know if this is part of our resort as well. It might be different, but it looks really nice. They have hammocks right in front of their lodging, their rooms. Nice oceanfront view. built right into the coral rock. Vegetation meets the sea. Beautiful sand beach over there. White sand. The water has receded pretty far back since we started. It's pretty cool. You could walk out pretty far and be in knee-deep water still. And it looks like there's a break way out there. I'm gonna try and get out there one of these days, which would mean it's pretty shallow too. I think this boat has been sitting here for a long time. This anchor is really heavy. Oh, there you go. I don't know how to pull it up. If they want to dry the boat off. Fresh coconuts that they're cutting down. There's a guy on the other side of this tree that's cutting them down. Let's see if I get over there. See him. Yeah, there you go. He's way up there on that tree. He's coming down now. Right? Facing east. So I guess if you travel that way very far, if you keep going, you'll land in India. And then I think that's south, so towards Madagascar. See, the tide rolled back in. Those stairs over there that I was talking about earlier, the water is pretty close now. It's right next to it. And those Maasai warriors that were selling merchandise are now gone because all of this is water. Feels good. The two boats are floating. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 from Zanzibar, and we're actually gonna visit Stone Town. We're gonna drive over there today. We're still gonna stay at Hotel Pongwe for the week, but we want to visit Stone Town as well and the rest of the island. So I guess I'll give you guys a little room tour. This is the garden room, and it has 2 beds. That's a queen bed, and then this is a twin bed. And we moved because there's an AC unit that doesn't really work properly. So it's the 2 of us sleeping on this twin bed, and we're both pretty tall because there's a fan over here overhead of the bed, and it's a lot cooler on this side. And then, yeah, there's also a bathroom, pretty basic, toilet, sink, waterfall shower. You move outside, and there's 2 day beds, pretty cool. And then just down the way, not even like 20 seconds away, is the beach. So pretty cool views, but we figured that we would explore more of the island, and so we will see you in Stone Town. To Stone Town, and the drive over here was beautiful, but like insane too. Like everyone just drives everywhere, and there's cows on the road, there's cyclists, there's motorcyclists, there's huge vehicles, there's potholes, there's speed bumps without any warnings. And yeah, it's just pretty chaotic. We found this hotel, it's called Beit Al Salam. I'm probably butchering that, but initially we were going to stay across the street, but they were charging $250 a night, and the hotel we're staying at is 125 bucks a night. So it's just half off, and it's pretty decent. It's a good sized room. So now we're off to get some lunch because we haven't ate yet. I don't know who colonized Stone Town or Zanzibar, but the architecture is pretty cool. Like old buildings. We're at this place called Beach House Restaurant and Bar, and we're the only ones here. But it has good reviews. You get a nice oceanfront view. The island. There's another one. But Gabby said that it's supposed to be really popular at night because we're facing west. We get the sunset. And I guess the food's supposed to be pretty good too.
When you're asking us like which the traditional food, when I give you our traditional food, just you can imagine like this is the Arab food, this is the Hindu food, so why they tell me like this is the traditional food? Because still we are using. See? Zanzibar cookies. Wow. We use the wheat flour, sugar, and butter. Also, you can use vanilla essence for flavor. Yeah. And this one, just it's a jam.
Okay.
Yeah. And this, the small one, it's a peanut. Just we grind the peanut.
Okay.
We take the egg, we put up here, and then we put the peanut. And then we bake.
Good.
So if they tell you like everywhere that you are going, you have to hide your face. You have to do that. Yes. If you are not doing that, he can tell you like it will be the ending of our marriage, and if you didn't follow him what he said, it will be through the ending of your marriage. Yes.
Wow.
So sometimes our religion is very difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially for women. So this is our market, the main market of Zanzibar. We call it the Radian market, as I told you. Just it depends which flavor of the chili you want. Sometimes we use this one, sometimes we use this one. We like to add in our soup. This one we eat fresh, just we cut and then we eat with the rice. It's a good snack.
Africa is really beautiful, but it's intense and chaotic and stunning all at the same time. And we did a walking tour that Gabby booked. Yeah, this lady was very helpful, informative, very passionate and genuine about her country. And she took us around to the different points of interest, like the fish market, the spice market, and fort. And then we saw the sunset. So now Gabby's actually looking up a snorkeling tour that we're gonna do tomorrow. Hopefully, if we could find one. A lot of them are sold out. And yeah, and then we'll drive back to our hotel or visit another town or city on Zanzibar. But if you found this video helpful, informative, or useful for you, please do us a favor and tap that thumbs up button so other people can more easily find this video. And if you want to continue watching our channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.